right. I should probably start by saying this: I don't know how to code. Not a little bit. Not I once tried a tutorial. I mean, properly don't know. This channel is called My Coding Lessons, and it exists for a very simple reason. I've decided to learn how to code from scratch, with no background, no shortcuts, and no pretending I understand things when I don't. I want to build a website. And eventually, I want to build an app. Now, I'm doing this later in life than most. I'm in my 40s. I've got responsibilities, limited time, and absolutely no interest in becoming a coding influencer. I just want to know how this stuff actually works. On this channel, you'll see exactly what it's like to learn coding from the beginning. The confusion, the small wins, the slow progress, and the moments where nothing makes sense, until it suddenly does. If you've ever thought you were too old, too busy, or not technical enough to learn coding, this channel is for you. I'm not teaching. I'm learning. And if you're learning too, you're more than welcome to come along. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing. This is My Coding Lessons. Let's see where it leads.